Hello, welcome back to Think Big Digital. Today, I'm going to show you how to use image prompt on Leonardo AI. The first step is to find image prompt here. So we will just go to our user tools and tap on image generation. Now coming to AI image generation, you will find three options here: generation history, image guidance, and prompt generation, which is our image prompt. So now just click on prompt generation. And here you will find two text bars. One is to type a prompt and the other one is to enter a basic prompt idea from where you can get ideas from Leonardo AI. At the left side, you can find the number of images that you want to generate here. You will find photoreal and alchemy effect here, and you can also choose your input dimensions here. And if you have your alchemy effect on, then you can't use the guidance scale here. So if I turn alchemy effect off here, and then you can see my guidance scale is now enabled. Now coming to the right side, you will see fine-tuned model here. Tap on the drop-down menu here and you will find different types of alchemy effects or 3D animations. You can also add a negative prompt, which will mean that what type of things you don't want to see in the image. Now just tap on your prompt, add a negative prompt here, and then create a basic prompt idea. After typing your prompt and a negative prompt, as you come to the basic idea, you will ideate option here. If you tap on this ideate option right here, you will find Leonardo AI giving you more creative and difficult text prompts, which will be helpful to create a clear and more qualityful picture for you. Now, as you can see, I have four examples here. And for the second option right here, I will just copy this from and then just correct it from my text prompt. Then I deleted my idea from here and then tap on generate, which will take one token. Now go to generation history. As you can see, I have my picture right here. As I have put a negative prompt, which is I don't want to see dogs in the picture. And as you can see, I have no dogs in my AI generated image. Now, if you want to download your AI generated image, you will find this download icon here. Just tap on the download and your file will be downloaded as a JPG version of it. This from a text prompt that Leonardo AI has suggested to us. So that's all for today. See you in the next tutorial.